Children, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Welcome back to our online class. Today is 21st January 2021, Thursday. We'll start our class. We were doing the lesson Rip Van Winkle. We have finished yesterday. Now we'll do the part 2 of it, grammar of it. Now the grammar part we have fill in the blanks, which you have to choose a appropriate describing word from the box and fill in the blanks. Sometimes we join two words to make a describing word. For example, Rip was a good natured man. Understood? This is the first example. Rip was a good man, you can write, or a good natured man. Something adding more to the goodness to define it properly. Here are some more describing words. Use them to complete the given paragraph. Long sleeved, high heeled, open mouthed, sweet looking, well dressed, odd looking, part time. Mrs. Das has a dash job in a clothes shop. Yesterday, and dash woman walked into the shop. She was wearing dash shoes. A dash dog was with her. I want a dash shirt for my dog, please. She said, asked for your dog, asked Mrs. Das. Dash in surprise. Yes, replied the woman. I want him to be Dash for my next party. The answers are odd looking, high heeled, sweet loving dog, long sleeved, open mouthed, and well dressed. First answer was part time. Read it once more aloud properly. You'll get it. Next is the grammar part. The passive voice and the active voice, the two forms of voices are there. Passive voice, everyone in the village liked Rip Van Winkle. Now, what will be the passive form of Rip Van Winkle? Was liked by everyone in the village. Understood? Passive voice and active voice. Compare the two sentences, they convey the same message. Isn't it? In this first sentence, what happened? Everyone in the village is the subject or the agent. Liked is the verb. Rip Van Winkle is the name of the person, the object. Hence, here the verb liked is said to be in an active voice. In the second sentence, the subject and the object have exchanged their positions. Clear, children? And by is added to the agent. The verb liked is changed into was liked, past tense. Be plus past participle of the verb. Here the verb is said to be in passive voice. Is it clear? Note first one, the tense of the verb does not change when we transform a sentence in the active form. Active voice into passive voice or vice versa. Observe the above examples and the ones given below. Got it? The passive voice and the active voice. Example, John paints portraits. Portraits are painted by John. Umesh is planting a tree. A tree is being planted by Umesh. Second point you have to note here is if a verb has two objects, any one of the two objects can become a subject in the passive form. I taught Ravi English. For example, Ravi was taught to English was taught to Ravi by me, or Ravi was taught English by me. Read the following passage and underline all the verbs in passive voice. We watched a film and returned home late evening. We unlocked the door and entered our apartments. We were shocked to find the whole place in disarray. Disarray. Clothes were thrown everywhere. The cupboard was opened by my three new suits were missing. The handle of the iron safe was locked. My wife found that the back door was left open. Evidently, we had forgotten to close it, and when we left the house, understood? When we left the house, an inventory of missing property was prepared, and a complaint was lodged with the town police station. My wife and I were taught the lesson of our life. Now change the following sentences into corresponding passive forms. First one, Rip Van Winkle helped the short man. Answer, the short man helped Rip Van Winkle. Second one, the short men were playing nine pins. Nine pins were played by short men. Understood? Rip tells stories to children. Children are told stories by Rip. Got it, ma? Rip has taught games. Children were told Rip was liked by children. Children liked Rip. Rip was liked by children. Nobody recognized Rip. Rip was not recognized by anybody. Got it? All the 5 sentences change into passive form. Today's homework is also the same. Now write as many sentences as you can about yourself using the following adverbs of frequency. Always, frequently, usually, often, sometimes, rarely. You may talk about how often you play in the park, fuss over food, go to bed late, study hard, etc. What are the answers, dear? Example, I often play in the park. Now, how you'll write answers? I usually go to bed late. I sometimes fuss over the food. I always study hard. Now next is what are the editing we'll do here. Editing part of it. Read the following passage. There is an error in each sentence. Identify and edit it. It were a hot summer day. Do it like that. We have to edit it. Make corrections for it. Many animals of the forest assembled in and near the pond. All of them were relaxing and talk. Just then a crow came flying and sat to a branch, and a rabbit saw it. What is the answer? It was hot summer day. Many animals of the forest assembled near the pond. All of them relaxed and talked. Just then a crow came flying and sat on a branch. A rabbit saw it. Did you do editing, children? Next is the homework for today. Submit it by evening 5:30 or 6. First question, see only there's one question, only 2 sentences are there. Change these sentences into passive form. First one is, she wore a new red gown in the party. Second one, the manager received 3 files in the evening. Send the answers by evening 5:30 or 6. Got it, children? Understood? Assalamu alaikum. Thank you. Send the homework neatly correct sentences by evening on my number 89771 55526. Got it? Not science or biology, only English.